How to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. So to buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet, first of all you need to make sure that your account is verified. Only then you can begin with the procedure. So when you're logged into your Trust Wallet account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So right on this page you need to go ahead and select what you actually want to buy. Since you're buying Bitcoin, so select BTC from the menu page. And after that you need to go ahead and select the buy button. As you click on the buy button, you'll be able to see this page where you have to go ahead and enter in your payment source, exact amount of Bitcoin that you wish to buy, and your information, all that. Go through it and fill in the information accordingly. And as you're done with that procedure, confirm it by tapping the buy button, and within no time you'll be notified with a statement stating that you've successfully bought Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. So that is how you can buy Bitcoin on Trust Wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.